Alright, let's go. Oh God, it's windy. Snowstorm. You want your ball? Here. All right, ready? Ready? Okay. Where'd it go? Look, disappeared. Well, this is a great way to start Blue's first video. Well, it's a snowstorm right now. You ready? Wait, let's go find it. Alright guys, Frisbee. Oh God, it's all snow. Hey! You ready? 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 Go get it. On this channel, we'll be doing. You probably can't hear me. I was saying it sideways. You can. On this channel, we will be doing videos about Blue and more, like puzzles for him. Yeah, and all that kind of stuff. Just Blue vlogs about Blue. Are you ready? I got up here. I don't even know how. What are you doing? You want to go down the slide? Let's go. Go all the way. Go. Oh man. What? Ow! Come on. Let's go. Ow. Probably gonna ask how old is Blue. He's 5 months. He was born in September 26, 2016. Ow! Where's your rope? Are you trying to play tug of war with my jacket? Stop. Blue, stop. No. Good boy. And he's a jacket. Blue, stop. Yeah, I said that. I said that when he was born. Probably you guys would ask. Yeah. There's not much I can really do with him. Well, I can say there's a lot. Yeah, this is introduction to my channel. So yeah, Blue loves the snow, by the way. And if you guys are wondering why his mouth is bleeding, it's because he got a little cut in his mouth. Stop! It's way too cold out and this dog wants to play. I just want to come out here to show you. I just want to show you. Stop! Stop! Alright, wait. I'll get your frisbee. Where? Frisbee? Frisbee time? Frisbee time? Now I think this is side. Go. Here's my chance. Nicky sees me. You see him, guys? See how I can zoom in on him. I really can't see him. Yeah, he's right there. Hey. He's just staring at me. I'll show you myself when I get inside. It's really cold right now. See you guys inside, Blue. And we're gonna show you guys his cool tricks. Sit. Good boy. Give me paw. Give me paw. Blue, give me paw. I don't have the trees. Give me paw. Down. Roll. All the way. Here's your treats. He knows some cool tricks. Eating them, he usually gets faster. Blue. Blue. Oh, hey guys. That was crazy outside. Look, you can still see it's still going on. It's like an hour after I recorded all those other clips. And it's still snowing. It said it's gonna snow until 4 and it's like 11 right now. But I'm going to be showing you some clips of Blue. Like, because I didn't get that much clips outside because it was way too cold. I'll show you some clips of Blue and pictures so you guys can see more of him. Alright, see you guys later in the next video.